Dear students, Sudarshan Kaur lecture English here for the lesson The Story of My Life. It's written by Helen Keller. Long questions of this chapter. You will have to write the theme of the chapter to you in few words and brief character sketch of the narrator and the teacher. Only first question will cover your second and third question. We will discuss the first. Lesson is based on the idea that nothing is impossible for a person with determination. This idea has been illustrated through the life story of Helen Keller. At the age of 19 months, she became blind, deaf, and dumb. She did not know what the future held for her. It was the important day of her life when Miss Annie Mansfield Sullivan came to her house, gave the narrator a doll present from the little blind students of Perkins Institute. This game she learned to spell words like pen, mug, sit, stand, father, mother, and so many words. And on the well house, she had a unique experience. Helen learned that there was life in each and every. Miss Annie Mansfield Sullivan was Helen's teacher, and she played an important role in her life from 1 to 10 for writing these 3 questions. And next, study practice. Now there is column A. Helen Keller has written many words in this lesson that express certain feelings. Match the feelings in box C with the most appropriate words for them. These words may also writing your answer. The pleasant state of feeling lazy and without energy. बिना शक्ति तो ਅਤੇ ਸੁਸਤ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਆਨੰਦ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਨਾ is called anger. A very strong feeling of love, hatred, anger, etc. ਗੁੱਸੇ ਦੀ, ਪਿਆਰ ਦੀ ਜਾਂ ਨਫ਼ਰਤ ਦੀ feeling is called passion. The state of feeling nervous, worried हो जाना, घबरा जाना, चिंता हो जाना is called anxiety. A feeling of great pleasure, that's called बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होना, delight. A feeling of great sadness, बहुत ज़्यादा उदास होना, that's called despair. A feeling of great pleasure, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी दी भावना, delight. A feeling of great sadness, बहुत ज़्यादा उदासी दी भावना, sorrow. A feeling of pleasure and satisfaction when you have done something well and admirable. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ੰਸਾਯੋਗ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਅਤੇ ਸੰਤੁਸ਼ਟੀ ਦੀ ਭਾਵਨਾ, that's called pride. Lost all hope, ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮੀਦ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੇ, that's called despair. Pick out the nouns that are singular, plural and used with the pair of. These words are used for one object. Measles, disease, news, khabar, fanatics. These are used in only one sense. These are singular nouns. And plural, goods plural, basics plural. Pair of जोड़ा होना, दो चीज़ां होनी. Measure, we'll say a pair of pliers because there are 2 blades in the cutter. Binoculars, an instrument with 2 glass parts which you look through in order to make objects in the distance seem nearer. Pair of sunglasses, dark glass in them to protect your eyes from bright sunshine or chashma. Do as directed. Blanks with an infinitive. I have already told you the rules of infinitive. Blank with an infinitive, so we have to use here do. He is slow to forgive. I am sorry to hear this. Combine the following sentences using an infinitive. It means we have to use he collects old stamps even at great expense. It is his hobby. So we will frame the sentence. Pells his hobby to collect old stamps even at great expense. Next, combine the following into a single sentence. I have no aptitude for business. I must speak out frankly. I must speak out frankly that I have no aptitude for business. This is so simple. Fill up the blank with a participle. Participle ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਂਗੇ running. Our sentence ਦੇ according ਇਸ ਨੂੰ use ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. Running water, because here he used is, so here is running. And by the wind seeds are scattered. This third form used. Seeds are scattered far and wide. Here we will also use third form. The following sentences using a participle. He was dissatisfied. He resigned his post. Having been dissatisfied, he resigned his post. Combine the following sentences using a participle. We met a girl. She was carrying a basket of flowers. Here we have to cut these words. We met a girl carrying a basket of flowers. ਇਜ਼ ਫੌਂਡ ਆਫ ਸਵੀਮਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ ਉਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਰਡ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹ ਨਾਲ ING ਲਗਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਰੂਲ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੇਕਰ ਲਾਸਟ ਵਰਡ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵਾਵਲ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਸਟ ਵਾਲਾ ਡਬਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਆਰ ਯੂ ਅਫਰੇਡ ਆਫ ਹਿਜ਼ ਹੀਅਰਿੰਗ ਯੂ, ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲੋ ਜਿਰੌਨ ਮੀਨਸ ਵਰਬ ਦੀ ਫਸਟ ਫਾਰਮ ਜੇ ਜੀ ਲਗਾਉਣਾ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਜਿਰੌਨ। remove to, news was so good that it couldn't true, it's better to starve than beg, change the degree of comparison, degrees है positive, comparative and superlative, ਇੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ positive ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ, it's not so good to beg as to starve। At the sight of the police the thief ran away, the thief ran away when he saw the police, you need not fear if you are just, compound sentence, be just and fear not, his victory is certain, adverb ਦੇ ਲਈ ਆਮ ਤੌਰ 'ਤੇ ly ਲੱਗਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਲਾਸਟ ਵਿੱਚ, he will certainly be victorious, Delhi is the capital of, it is situated on the banks of river Jamuna, Delhi which is the capital of India is situated on the banks of river Jamuna, her daughter is as beautiful as the moon is not more beautiful, ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਗਾਉਣੇ ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, the moon is not more beautiful than his daughter। I have discussed the lesson in detail, I hope you will be able to write on the next